In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make text appear and disappear on Canva Video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control when your text shows up and when it leaves, so your message lands at the perfect moment. Start by opening Canva and going to the video design you are working on. This could be a single scene or a multi-page project. Either way, the timing tools behave the same. Once your design is open, click on the text box you want to control. Be sure you've selected the specific text layer you intend to time, not the background or another element. When that text box is selected, look just above the main video timeline. You'll see a purple bar appear. That purple bar represents this text box's on-screen duration. Think of it as the start and end window for when the text is visible. To decide when the text first appears, move your cursor to the left edge of the purple bar. Click and drag that left edge to the exact point on the timeline where you want the text to come in. As you drag, you are telling Canva. This is a simple way to sync your text with a beat, a scene change, or a specific moment in your narration. Next, set when the text should disappear. Go to the right edge of the same purple bar. Click and drag that right edge to the moment you want the text to vanish. The gap you create after that point is where the text will no longer be visible. You are not deleting the text, just defining its exit time. If the timing feels good but the whole block needs to shift earlier or later, you don't have to resize anything. Click anywhere in the middle of the purple bar and drag the entire bar along the timeline. This keeps the duration the same while moving the text to a new position. It's a quick way to nudge your captions or titles, so they align with your visuals or audio cues. A few tips for smoother control if you don't see the purple bar. Double-check that the text box is actually selected. Zooming into the timeline can help with precise adjustments, especially when you are aiming for frame. And if you have multiple text boxes, each one will have its own purple bar, so repeat the same adjustments for each element. That's all you need to make text appear and disappear exactly when you want in a Canva video. Thanks for watching.